Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Amazon Basics Mono Chat headset for PS4. As you can see, the packaging is pretty generic. It's just a brown box and the name of the product is written in multiple languages on the front. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the headset itself and a user guide. It's in multiple languages and it should help you get started off with understanding the various functions and buttons of the device. Coming to the headset itself, we can see that it has a black and blue color theme going for it, with black on the headband, on the cushion and on the mic as well. And we have some black highlighting right in the middle of the ear cup as well. Most of the ear cup as well as a bit of the headband is finished in blue. In terms of adjustability, the ear cup is not at all adjustable, but the headband can be extended to fit a plethora of head sizes. The microphone is also quite adjustable and has a rotation of approximately 200 degrees, and the microphone is of the gooseneck kind, so it can be molded into a shape that is most comfortable. It also has a sponge on the end of it to filter out any harsh sounds. Coming to the cable, it's approximately 50 inches in length. On the end of the cable, we have a TRRS kind 3.5 mm audio jack, and in the middle we have an inline control unit. The inline control unit has a volume control wheel, and the direction in which the wheel needs to be rotated to increase or decrease the volume is marked on the control unit as well. It has a PS symbol, and it also has a on off switch for the microphone. So basically, if you switch it off from here, the microphone will be turned off, so any sounds that you make after that will not be heard by anyone you're communicating with. Although this device is to be mainly used with the PlayStation 4, it can be used in conjunction with other devices as well. Any device that has a 3.5 mm audio port is compatible. For the purposes of this video, we will be using an Android smartphone which has a 3.5 mm jack. Once connected, we can use these headphones to either listen to our favorite tunes or even just make calls. So this was the unboxing of the Amazon Basics Mono Chat headset for PlayStation 4. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.